Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Wacky Wednesday again. I can't believe this is now the third Wacky Wednesday that we have had. And yeah, so today I was rummaging through the kitchen cupboards and I found these little yogurt containers. So what I'm going to be doing is a four-way flip cup, pulling one down this way, one up, one down, one up. And the colors I'm using today are a nice bright green, slightly darker apple green, we've got emerald green, so yeah, all the greens, not my favorite, but sorry, there's some gold and then some bronze. So yeah, it's not my favorite, but I've got a lot of different greens here. A lot of my other paints are running low, so I thought, well, let me just use them. And yeah, I'm interested to see what's going to happen. The base color that I'm going to be using is a gunmetal grey that I've mixed just with black with a little bit of white. So right, let me layer up these cups. I've put a little bit of silicone into each of the colors. I'm not going to layer them very carefully. I'm just sort of going to pour bits into each of them and we'll go from there. So right, there we go guys, they're all layered up. I'm hoping that I've got enough paint. So let me try and get them onto the board now without spilling too much. Perfect, there we go guys. And the base color I'm using is, as I said, is a nice deep gunmetal grey. So I'm just going to pour this around now. Okay guys, there we go. We are set up for the flip. Just pop some air bubbles here. And then let's see how this is going to all work out. As I said, I did put some silicone into the paint, so let's have a look how this works. Alrighty guys, let us prepare for the tilt. Here we go. Beautiful, as they say in Australia. I'll take my gloves off and give it one more flame. I see quite a lot of little air bubbles, and I'm sure we're probably going to get some more crazy cells going on here. Yeah, look at all those air bubbles popping. Yeah, I love it. For once I've made a success of the green and I don't have to swipe, which I've had to do on my last two pours. So yeah, this is I'm very happy for the result, and I think because I've got the gold and the bronze in there, once that dries we're going to have some awesome metallic colors coming out. There you go guys, finally a success. It's been 3 pours since I've had a good result, and I guess we sort of learn as we go along, but I'm pretty glad that this has worked out for the best. I've used a little bit of my green paint, which is great, and next week I'm going to have to restock on a whole lot of paints, but hey, that's the price you pay for making art. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. We're nearing 100 subscribers, which is always going to be a nice milestone. As of yet, I haven't sold the painting. I haven't really been marketing them much. I hope you're all doing well. We're having a nice week of weather here in Cape Town, nice and warm, and spring is on the way. And it seems that our coronavirus cases are on the decline, which is a good sign. We really need to get our economy going again. Hope you're having a good day, and I'll catch you at the next pour. Let's go to the close-up. Cheers.